Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you a delicious and easy recipe of a lentil which is made with lots of butter and cream, and yes, that's dal makhani. So let's begin making this recipe. For this, here I have taken 1 cup of black gram dal or urad dal. With this I am adding 1/4 cup of kidney beans or rajma. So I have taken this in a bowl and I am adding 2 glasses of water. And just cover this and soak this overnight, and after 10 hours our dal has been soaked well. They have doubled in their size, and you can see. And now comes the important step for making this recipe. We have to wash this dal for 3 to 4 times. So rub the dal between your palms and wash this for 3 to 4 times. This process will help to remove the darkness from this urad dal, and it will give a very nice color to our recipe. So just repeat the process for 3 to 4 times. And here you can see the dal has been washed well and it's looking very clean. Now we have to pressure cook them. So I am going to add the complete dal in a pressure cooker. And with this I am adding 1.5 glass of water. Also goes in 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Stir them, and now just cover the lid of the pressure cooker and switch on the flame and pressure cook this on medium flame for at least 5 whistles. And after 5 whistles you can see the pressure has been released. And now I am going to show you the dal, and here you can see our dal has been cooked very well. Let me show you. You can see it's cooked perfectly. Even the rajma has been cooked. They are being mashed easily. And now we will prepare the tadka for this recipe. And for that, here I have taken a kadhai. Into this I will be adding 4 to 5 tablespoons of ghee. Although it is dal makhani, but we will prepare this recipe in ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and let it splutter. And also goes in 5 to 6 chopped garlic cloves. Fry them for 1 minute on low medium flame. And now we will put the flame on low and add the dry spices. So 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, and salt as per your taste. Be careful while adding the salt, as we have added the salt in dal also. Now fry the masala for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. And now I am going to add the tomato paste. So I have taken 4 tomatoes and I have grinded this in a grinding jar. And fry the paste with the masala for 2 to 3 minutes on low medium flame. Also I am adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Mix everything together. And when the gravy comes to a boil, we will cover this and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on low flame. And after 10 minutes you can see the masala has been fried very well. The ghee has been separated from the masala. That means it's ready. It's been fried well. And now I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of fresh cream. If you don't have this, you can even use the homemade malai. Mix the fresh cream with the masala and fry this as well for 2 minutes. And make sure the flame should be low. Now goes in some chopped coriander leaves. Adding coriander leaves at this stage, it enhances the taste of any sabji or any gravy. And also I am adding just a dash of water to avoid the masala from sticking to the pan. Mix everything together, and now we will add our prepared dal. So I am adding this. Mix the dal with the fried masala. And you can see how tasty they are looking. And our dal is looking little thick, so I will be adding 1.5 cups of water. So first I am adding 1 cup of water and will give this a good mix. And after that again I will add half cup of water. And now I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter. As the recipe is dal makhani, so I am adding makhan to the dal. This recipe is made with lots of butter and cream. Give everything a good mix. And you can see the butter has started to melt. So just mix this once again. And now put this flame on low and cook this dal for about 20 to 25 minutes. As much the dal will be cooked, its taste will increase much. So if possible, cook this for around 30 to 35 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I am removing the lid and let me show you how our dal is looking. It's been cooked perfectly and our tasty dal makhani is ready. You can see everything has been cooked well. It's looking very nice. It has a perfect consistency. So now switch off the flame and now I am going to plate our dal. So our super delicious dal makhani is ready. You can serve this recipe with roti, naan, paratha, rice or jeera rice. And you can see how rich and creamy they are looking. So do try this recipe at home and you will love this. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.